Hello friends, let's crochet together a simple snowflake like this. This is my yarn and the size of my hook is 1.6. We make the first loop and then 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch in the first chain and a chain. Then we make 11 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we make a slip stitch in the first loop. Then we make 3 chains and double crochet in the next loop. And then we make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A double crochet and 1 more double crochet in the next loop. Then we make again 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 double crochets. And repeat till the end of the round. In the end of the round, we make a slip stitch in the third chain and a chain. Then we make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and a slip stitch in the first chain of these 4. And we make a single crochet in the next loop. Then we crochet in the arch. We make a single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet. Then we make 4 chains and a double crochet in this arch, half double crochet and a single crochet. Then we make a single crochet in the loop, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, a slip stitch in the first chain and a single crochet in the next loop. Then we crochet in the arch, a single crochet, half double crochet, a double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, a double crochet, half double crochet and a single crochet. A single crochet in the loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, a slip stitch in the first chain and a single crochet in the next loop, and go on till the end of the round. In the end of the round, we make a slip stitch in the first chain, and then we make one slip stitch, two slip stitch, and a slip stitch in this arch to remove the start of the next round. And now we make a chain and 5 chains more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we crochet in this arch. We make a single crochet and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, a slip stitch in the first chain, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains and a slip stitch in the first of these 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains and a slip stitch in the first chain. Then we make a single crochet in the same arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and a single crochet in this small arch. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the arch, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch and a single crochet in the arch. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch in the first chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A single crochet, a slip stitch, sorry, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch in the first chain. A single crochet in the arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. A single crochet and go on till the end of the round. In the end of the round, we make a slip stitch in the first chain of the round. Pull the thread to the opposite side. make a chain and cut the thread. Then we hide the thread between the stitches and cut the end. And our snowflake is ready. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.